So I have my Fabfitfun box here. It's going to be a little bit different of a video for you. I just recovering from a procedure I had, and I can't really use my right hand as well as I normally would, which is why all the decorations aren't up, and why I've had my box for days but not looked inside of it yet. So I'm going to sort of carefully try to open my Fabfitfun box. I wanted to get this video up, but more importantly, I needed to open it because I paid for rush shipping, and the reason why I paid for rush shipping is because I have some birthday gifts in here that I need for this weekend. So we are going to take a look at the Winter 2025 box. I did a lot of add-ons this year. If you watched my last video, you will have noticed that I did quite a few different things this year. I actually decided to just get 2 boxes and to minimize the number of extra choices. And I said, you know, will I be able to actually stick with that? And the answer is yes. I did just get 1 Canadian and 1 US box, and I did minimize the number of things I've added on. I've only actually picked 1 item per categories in this box. So in category number 1, I chose the questionable slippers. So here they are here. It's going to be hard for me to open these. Let's see here. So why I say questionable slippers is because a lot of people have been saying that they are not comfortable. And the reason being is just the design of them. If you don't get the right size, then apparently the edges are quite sharp. So I'm just going to put this on my foot. I've been curious to see how comfortable they feel. Oh, actually seems like a good fit. So I am a true size 8. I would say that in some shoes I've even been a 7.5, so maybe that's why this is a good fit for me, but the slippers themselves are actually perfect fit. So that is nice. This is what the slippers look like, and they're cute design. The idea is that you could use them because of the hard sole to run out and, you know, put the recycling out or whatnot. And yeah, I'm glad with my choice there. There wasn't anything else in this category that I was interested in except for the goop. I tried to decide between the 2. If I had wanted it at all, I should have got it in this box because it became unavailable by the time I did my seasonal customization. I was not able to get that. But I'm happy with what I did end up getting. It won't be for me, it will be for a gift. But I'm glad about what I got there. In customization number 2, I got the pajamas. These are the pajamas, and they look quite big actually. It's better to be big than small. I'm usually, well, they're quite big. I'm usually a size medium, and I don't mind if pajamas are kind of oversized anyways because they're just supposed to be comfy, but it's nice. I just went on a trip a month ago with some girlfriends, and I realized, you know, it's kind of nice to have nice looking pajamas so that if you're going to be around other people that get to see your pajamas that it's a good thing to have something that looks better than what I usually wear, which would be like an old t-shirt and a pair of comfy jogging pants. It seems to be my go-to. And then in customization 3, I went with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So this was one of the things that I had thought about getting, and I'm really glad that it was one of my choices. I think this was another thing that kind of sold out. I can't really get this lid off to show you, but it was one of the things that's that sold out in the seasonal box, so I was really glad that I did go ahead and get that. In customization, I'm trying to remember which one's 4 and which one's 5. Well, I'm going to do both of these together as their gifts. This is the reason why I needed to open the box. These I got for my girlfriend. She had previously had a Fabfitfun subscription. I don't really want to open it up because, well, I guess it doesn't need to be in the bag. She previously had a Fabfitfun subscription and she really liked the unhide blanket. And I did get an unhide blanket for her again as a gift following year. I know she loves socks and I'm making her a gift basket. In fact, I will show you the gift basket that I am making her. I will do it up first because it's all add-ons from the Fabfitfun box. And it's like a spa gift theme. And these cozy little socks are going to be a perfect gift to put in. And the fact that it's unhide, how much she liked the blankets, this is something that I think she will really love. Here is the final gift basket all wrapped up. We've got the unhide socks, some London Town hand cream, Daily Concept scrubber, hair towel, and body wrap. Tucked in there you can see a sponge gel. Everything is pretty and pink and should make a beautiful gift. And then the other thing that I got here was the grate plate. I was not going to get this actually. This was one of the things I changed my mind on because of the kind of thoughts from the community. It seemed like something very unique, and it's a way that you can basically process garlic. It's got some fun little ridges there that you can grate either ginger or garlic or other things that you want to grate up, like cinnamon. And I thought this would be just like a cute little gift set as well as a Christmas gift. We do have one of these rollers, which is why it wasn't on my original list to choose this item. I just think it's a really neat idea, something different that would make a good gift. And then the last item that I got was a belt. It is today. I am actually finally, for the first time all week, wearing a belt because I hadn't even been able to use both of my hands well enough to do up my own belt or put on my own watch. So this is what the belt looks like. I was a little worried about the size. I didn't really pay close attention. I just assumed that the medium large would be the size that I would need. But put it around my waist and see. Oh yeah, it's going to be a good size for me. Oh, it's perfect actually. I can't put it on just yet, but this is what I chose. So lots of clothes, like 4 of the 5 items that I picked are clothing. And then the lotion and the grate plate. So overall, I really liked the winter box. Winter is always my favorite. I really missed the unboxings ahead of time, and I think that is probably one of the reasons why I've been able to be good with just getting the 2 boxes, because quite often I'll see other people's thoughts or opinions about some of the choices in the box, and it makes me think that, oh, I really need that, or that'd be a good gift, or I should try that. So this, I actually picked the things that initially I gravitated towards, with the exception of the grate plate. So that's my box. If you're interested in seeing what I got for add-ons, let me know in the comments down below and I will link that for you as well. Sorry, I'm not going to do the close-up vision of everything like I normally do with all the fancy editing and stuff. I just wanted to share what I got and to let you know that I did in fact stay true to my thoughts on getting just the 2 boxes. I likely won't unbox my American box for you because I won't be picking it up until just before Christmas. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.